Hey guys, so this is how you're going to create your own QR code for free. So the first method is through Google. So just go to any website that you want to create a QR code for, and then just go over to this ellipsis icon at the top of the screen, the right side corner. And then from here, just click on Cast, Save, and Share. Scroll down to this. And then from this menu that will appear, just click on Create QR Code. And then you can copy this link or download this QR code right here. So for me, I'm just going to download that, and then when you click on it to open it, you will just see this image right here that we have generated. So when you scan this QR code, it's going to lead to this Four Seasons YouTube channel website. Now another method is through Canva. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new document in Canva, and then just scroll down to this apps right here from the left side panel, and then from here just type in QR code in the search bar. Now from here you will see a bunch of different options that you can use to generate QR codes. For me, I'm just going to use this first one, and then I'm going to click on that and then click on open. Now once that is open, it's going to ask you to enter the URL of the page that you want to create a QR code for. So I'm just going to copy link this one and then paste it here, and then I'm going to generate the code. Now just wait for it to be generated, and then as you can see here, it has already generated a QR code for us. Now all that's left to do is to share this one and then to download it as an image, or you can also download it as a PNG. And that's it. That is how you create a QR code for free.